In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are constantly striving to gain a competitive edge and connect with their customers on a deeper level. One of the most powerful tools at their disposal is artificial intelligence, AI. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can revolutionize their customer engagement strategies and dominate the digital market. In this article, we will reveal some AI secrets that will help you take your customer engagement to new heights. Understanding your reader's problem. Imagine being a business owner struggling to stand out in a crowded marketplace. You have invested time and money into various marketing strategies but have yet to see significant results. Your customers seem disengaged, and you're left wondering how you can capture their attention in this noisy digital landscape. Unique rationale. By incorporating cutting-edge customer engagement techniques powered by AI, you can transform your business's online presence and create meaningful connections with your target audience. This article will provide you with practical insights into leveraging AI for customer engagement success. Personalization at scale. One of the key advantages of using AI for customer engagement is its ability to deliver personalized experiences at scale. With advanced algorithms analyzing vast amounts of data about each individual user, businesses can tailor content and recommendations based on specific interests and preferences. Chatbots for instant support. Chatbots have become increasingly popular as they offer instant support 24/7 without human intervention. These virtual assistants use natural language processing capabilities powered by AI to understand user queries accurately and provide relevant responses or solutions promptly. Predictive analytics for targeted marketing. AI-powered predictive analytics enables businesses to analyze historical data patterns, identify trends, predict future behaviors, and make informed decisions accordingly. By understanding your customers' needs before they even express them explicitly, you can create targeted marketing campaigns that resonate deeply with them. Voice assistants for seamless interactions. Voice assistants like Amazon's Alexa or Apple's Siri have transformed the way customers interact with technology. By integrating voice recognition and natural language processing, businesses can provide a seamless user experience, allowing customers to engage with their brand effortlessly. Sentiment analysis for enhanced customer understanding. AI-driven sentiment analysis tools enable businesses to gauge customer emotions and opinions by analyzing social media posts, reviews, and other forms of online content. This valuable insight allows companies to understand how their audience perceives their brand and make necessary improvements accordingly. Virtual reality, VR, for immersive experiences. Virtual reality is an emerging technology that offers immersive experiences to users, creating a strong emotional connection between brands and customers. By leveraging AI algorithms in VR applications, businesses can create personalized experiences that transport users into virtual worlds tailored specifically to their preferences. Conclusion. In this digital age where customer attention is scarce, it is essential for businesses to embrace AI-powered customer engagement techniques if they want to thrive in the market. Personalization at scale. Chatbots for instant support, predictive analytics for targeted marketing, voice assistants for seamless interactions, sentiment analysis tools for enhanced understanding of your audience's needs and preferences. These are just some of the cutting-edge techniques you can leverage using AI. By implementing these strategies effectively, you will be able to dominate the digital market by capturing your customers' attention and building long-lasting relationships based on trust and relevance. Embrace the power of AI today and unlock new possibilities in customer engagement that will set your business apart from the competition.